Alright, hello guys, good morning. So today's another video of gold panning, sluicing at the river. So since last time, one of the issue is the mat. I didn't cross the bottom mat. The top mat is V mat, because what we have in our river here, it's pretty much a flour gold, which is very tiny pixel of gold, and those V mat are better, I think, than the miracle mat. So I changed that thing since last time. Also, what I did, one of the viewer pointed out to me that I was probably losing a little bit of gold at the end, so I did few things. So I did added another wash system here, takeoff, and I put a valve so I can have a split between the washing underneath and the washing of the Trommel on top of the existing washing system. I also put tough to see, but might be a little bit tricky to see, but I did put inside some baffle. So see, there's one on each side to retain the rocks a little bit better and to wash it. I also did some drill some holes, bigger holes at the bottom here to prevent some pluggage. It's better, but I think I might do even more holes and bigger ones. I reduced the slope of the Trommel, the angle, such that the residence time is longer, and once I figure the exact degree, I will put another bubble level like I did on my bottom sluice to make it easier. I'm using a deep cycle battery. I am using my 75 amp hour battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, very light battery to give you the power for the entire day. And then I'm using, obviously as usual, my two bilge pump here that are very reliable. Never had any issue with it. And because I'm using those 3/4 inch inside diameter pipe rubber heater hose, I don't have any pressure drop, almost nothing, such that I can use like 30 feet of pipe when the river level is low. So here's the scoop, and I did about an hour and a half so far. I still have 2.5 hours to do, and then we'll go back home and do the cleanup with the blue ball, and then we'll see how much gold we have today. But things should be slightly better than last time if the pay dirt is equal, which is never the case, but we'll see if we can get more than 1 gram this time. So again, thanks for watching, and please, I forgot last time, but don't forget to push the subscribe button. See you guys, thanks for watching. That's the kind of stuff that is really very good. The day is finished. 4 hours of digging, so I think it will be a good day. So let's go home and let's clean it and let's do blue ball and see how much we got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna do the cleaning process and see if we can get more than 1 gram this time. So I added some jet dry, and the purpose of it is to break the surface tension to make sure the gold, the flakes don't float, especially with flour gold. That's a very common issue. I will put and again, this is just one shovel. We have an entire bucket to do, but that will give you an idea how much gold there is. Yeah, so for one scoop we got about that much, and there is a few scoop in the bucket. I would say probably 6 or 7 like that, so I think it should be a pretty good cleanup. So let's do the rest and I will show you how much we got this time. Okay, this is another blue ball that I just finished. And before I continue, I wanted to show you the size of the gold we're talking about. This is flour gold that we have here in Alberta as compared to maybe what you see sometime in a TV show like Ozzy, Hunter, or Yukon Gold, Gold Rush. This is flour gold that we have here in Alberta, in Canada. So I will put maybe 3 grains of rice. Perfect, but anyway, that gives you some kind of an order of magnitude of the size of the gold as compared to the grain of rice, which is already not that big. So definitively it takes the special mat, and the angle of the sluice is very important, the flow rate of the water to be able to catch that gold, because this is like flour. That's why it's called flour gold. But anyway, at the end of the day, what counts is the weight of that stuff, and even if it's small particulate, it adds up to a decent amount. So let's see what we got at the end of that day. Okay, so another thing I did for cleaning the gold to make it more efficient, when I do put it for a second pass in the blue ball, I put the funnel, I put all my bucket in it, and I put a little massage chair vibrator on the end of it, and I tweak the valve, and it feeds automatically the blue ball. And as opposed to be putting 1 scoop at a time, I just let it go. After 2 hours, this thing is done, and it's for a second pass. Then I put it for a third pass, and then there is no more gold left in the dirt. So I thought you might be interested to see a little further optimization of cleaning. Okay, we'll do the rest and then we'll see how much we got. Okay, so we have the entire gold. So what I do typically is I put some jet dry. Again, jet dry there to avoid the gold flakes to float. Okay, so we finally finished to do the blue balls. I put it into the main bottle, so we'll wait for the difference. So 0.94 gram. So with the correction, we're probably gonna get 0.95 gram, which is essentially the same thing. So that's good. So again, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time.